Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character with a New Year's hat. It's going to be simple, easy, and completely for beginners, okay? So I hope you enjoy this. Like I said, it's a really simple one, and let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to... Oh, before that, don't forget, hit the subscribe. This is a seasonal channel. It's for Halloween and Christmas. But, like, by next year, if you subscribe now, you're going to start seeing, these cool videos on your feed again next year when those seasons roll around. It's kind of neat. It's kind of like saving your stuff for next year. And I will be posting through the year, but it's going to be like a much less. Maybe like one time a day as opposed to the 3 times a day I was doing before. So, anyways, that's it. Let's go over here. Curve to the top over here. Curve the front. Curve over here to the side. And I'm going to go underneath now and do the exact same kind of curve. It looks like a pillow, right? Alright, I'm going to go pull up on the forehead just a bit here. Going to go over here and pull down on the stomach area all the way to the foot. Curve along this hat. And the back here, I'm going to pull a long line over here for the back. Going to go kind of look halfway between this, kind of in that halfway section of here, of this visor. And I'm going to move back and put a line right there for the top of the backpack. I'm going to go down here and find the bottom foot. He has like teddy bear feet. Curve up. Pulling underneath. And then pulling the leg up over here. Bottom here, line, and that's the bottom of the backpack. So now we're gonna find the backpack. To me it looks like Wonder Bread. Go over here, gonna complete that party hat. And over here I'm going to put like a little boom shape at the end there, like a surprise shape. Going to go over here and throw a curved line over here for the design in here and put the year. For this year it's 2022 for the, the upcoming year. And I'm going to put a line through here for like a shine look. So let's go in here and give it a little bit of color. I'm going to give a little, let's say, light blue. Let me find the light blue over here in my markers. Yeah, light blue over here for the bottom part of the reflection here. I want him to be white, so I will use that same light blue and curve a line down here for shadow. Curve underneath here. Gonna put a yellow, kind of yellow-orange over here for the explosion shape over here of the head. And then I'm gonna use that same one over here to color in the 2022 over here. Just kind of give it a look. And if you really want, you can throw some fireworks. Grab like maybe a green or something. I'm gonna go with the other end of that. Put like a dot, and then throw these radiating lines out from that dot. So that's one. Could be like a firework right there. Gonna go over here on this other side. Throw like a dot over here. Maybe a bigger dot than that. Throw a line out, line out, line out, line out, line out. I'm gonna grab like a purple and a Crayola. Dot over here, line, 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 line. Lines radiating. Doesn't matter how many. And I can throw maybe some smaller one over here, maybe the same color on that one. Just a smaller one to make it look like it's off in the distance. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Let me know your goals. If you have any cool like New Year's goals, you know, let me know. I'm very curious. Everybody's got, you know, certain things they want to do, and like I said, you can absolutely do them. And it's kind of cool. Like for New Year, it's kind of like a new, kind of a new promise to it, to kind of like, you know, do little things that you wanted to do. But don't forget that's, you know, fun to really think about and fun to actually accomplish. So if you have any like drawing goals, let me know in the description. I can tell you my drawing goal, and it's kind of, what's an art goal? It's not a drawing goal. My art goal is to learn oil painting. I've done it a little bit, but I haven't done it that much. I usually do like acrylic painting, and I do other sorts of painting like gouache, but I've really never done oil very much. I think because I was afraid of the materials are so like toxic, right? Some of them. So, but I want to get used to that. I really want to do that badly. So I'm gonna try to make that my goal, to oil paint, and that's really my main. I think my main art goal. And then that's pretty much it. Anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Let me know your goals. I'm really curious in the description, your New Year's goals. That's something you want to accomplish the next year. And that's it. I hope you're amazing, and I hope you're doing great. Don't forget, share the video with a friend. The way you pay back this channel is to share a video if you liked it. You know, share the video maybe on Twitter randomly. There's an auto share button on the bottom right hand corner. You can press share, then press whatever platform you're already logged into, and you share it. So thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I will see you very soon. Okay? Thank you. See you later.